Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, I'm making my coffee. Oops. Yan. So, hindi ako gumagamit ng creamer guys. Ang ginagawa ko, ito lang, gatas. And then ilalagyan ko siya ng kape. Yan. So, plano ko sanang gumawa ng ano guys, ng garlic bread. Pero naubusan na pala kami ng foil paper. So, siguro mag-toast na lang ako. And then, gagawa ako ng eggs for my family. Yan. So, we're planning to go out later. Later na guys, pag ano na dito lahat sa bahay. Later on, after namin kumain, siguro mag-homeschool muna ako para ma-prioritize yung importante. And then, saka na ako gagawa ng ng chores natin dito sa bahay. After that, mag-grocery tayo ng konti. Yan. So, yan lang yung plano natin today, guys.
My last one.
See, you're doing it very, very quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need your help in. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Six.
So, check ko na lahat, guys. Lahat ng answers niya correct.
2 hours later.
I got the second place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't care. I'm a first place. Yay!
Tingnan mo naman ang asawa ko. Ang dami niya ng na ano. Go, Rachel. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. Good job, Rachel. Good job. Uh-oh. There are only 4 left for Daddy. Let's see. Good job. How many points did you get? Oh, okay. She was getting a lot of 2,000. Oh, 1,000. Oh, good job. Whoa. That's it? Let's try the basketball. Ito na anak ko. Ito si Daddy. Go, Daddy! Go, Rachel! Daddy's getting a lot of points. Oh. Si Rachel din. Yay! Good job, Rachel. Look, look. Whoa, good job, Daddy. You got a lot of points. Hi, Mama. Hello, guys. Dito kami sa Walmart. Yan. Bibili lang kami ng konting food. Dito tayo sa tilapia, guys. Which one, Daddy? You want the one that has the skin or, of course, the skinless? Kasi it's cheaper. Frozen na ito siya dito, guys. Salmon. Uh-huh. This is a little, mahal, yeah. Hello guys! So, busy kami ni Mr. dito sa kitchen. By the way, bumili kami nito sa, sa Walmart. And so, nagbo-boil ako ng tubig para sa ating macaroni and para dito sa ating mashed potatoes. Yan. Hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng ganito guys kasi mas prefer ko yung fresh na potato. Madali rin namang gawin, di ba? So ito na yung ating dinner guys. We have mashed potatoes, ground chicken with mixed vegetables na ginawa ng asawa ko. Meron din tayong macaroni with cheese at yung ating chicken pot stickers and gumawa din ako ng juice for our It's ready na guys.
Oh,
So,
Ano
mag-serve
Pineapple
muna ako ng guys para makakain kami.
So, ito na yung dinner natin. Meron tayong macaroni with cheese, mashed potato, at saka chicken pot stickers. Yan, masarap siya guys. Maganda siyang combination.
Hospitals all over the city, and I visited over